In front of me is Realme 10 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this Realme. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app. From this menu you need to click on Floating Queen. And as you can see now, I can use my app in floating window. If you wish to make it smaller, click on Home button. Then you can go back to it by clicking on it. You can also use your app, overlay the other one, by tapping on the chosen one and operating in both. If you wish to move your app, hold this line and drag it. Now, if you wish to close it, you can make it full screen by tapping on the top left corner, or close it completely by clicking on top right one. You can also just swipe it up in background apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!